In this video, I will show you how to change background color in Canva. First, click on the background. After that, click on color icon and choose the color you want use. You can choose solid color or gradient color as you want. Choose the color you want use. You can add more colors to a gradient. Then drag mouse to change color. You can easily remove color from gradient. This here you can choose any color gradient template. That's all how to change background color in Canva. Thanks for watching.